Okay, this is a quick video for value add-on users who are using custom domains with their value add-on membership site. So if you want to ensure that your value add-on membership site is using SSL, then you will need to use Cloudflare. So you'll need to go to cloudflare.com, register and create an account or sign in and add your domain. Once you add your domain, it's going to import your current DNS entries into the system, and it's going to show you a list similar to this. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to go ahead and make sure the orange proxy status is turned on only for the DNS records that relate to Value Addon. Now, you could have dozens and dozens of other records on here, and Cloudflare might be trying to proxy all of those by having these orange icons enabled. But I recommend that you turn those off if they don't relate to Value Addon. Now, what I have here is I have a demo domain, Always Influencing. That's my custom domain for my membership site. And so I have 3 records that relate to that. I have my mobile domain, it's an A record, and it's pointed to the Value Addon IP address. I have my main domain, Always Influencing, pointed to the IP address. And then I have a CNAME for the www version. This is only for root domains. If you're using a custom domain, but you're using a subdomain like something like members.alwaysinfluencing.com, then you would only have one singular A record. And it would say something like A record here. You would have the word members here, and then you would have this IP address here. So, your setup might be a little bit different, but only enable the proxies for the Value Addon records that relate to your membership site. Disable these orange proxies for everything else. Save, and that's step 1. Step 2 is to head over to the SSL TLS section. Make sure you're on the overview page, and then scroll down, and where it says your SSL type or your SSL encryption mode, make sure this is set to flexible. It will not work any other way. So make sure this is turned on and set to flexible. And then the only thing left to do would be to log into wherever you bought your domain or whoever manages your actual domain and point your name servers to Cloudflare. Now, Cloudflare should give you those options somewhere on their site. Typically, after you add the domain, it tells you where to point your name servers to. I'm going to try to find it in here because I've already set this up and this is actually already done. Okay, here we go. So if you go to overview and then under domain registration, let's see. I'm just trying to figure out where you do this at. I'm just trying to see if it tells me where to update my. Okay, here it is. So it's actually under DNS and then records, and then you scroll down until you see name servers. So this is where you would point your domain to. And I'll explain this really quickly. So Cloudflare is a DNS manager. They manage your DNS records, which are all these weird looking things right here. But your name servers are where your domain points to. So you need to point your domain to Cloudflare, and Cloudflare will be the new place that manages your records. So you'll need to remove whatever name servers you currently have and point them to here. And and then once you do that, then you'll be good to go. That's it. So once again, just to recap, I don't want to make this video too long. Make sure you update your records properly here. Disable the orange boxes for anything that's not related to Value Addon. And then go ahead and change your name servers and point them to Cloudflare, and then enable the flexible option right here. And you're done, and your custom domain will be secure, and you'll be good to go. So hope this helps. If you have any questions, reach out to support. Thanks for watching.